Hit him up. Yep. Start from here, get on the bike, that way you have a little bit of speed. There you go. Remember, keep the legs moving. Keep the legs moving. There you go. Good job, buddy. Can you stay on the rocks? Is it possible to stay on the rocks? Oh, Dad's trying it. Dad's trying it.
I'm at the entrance of Flanders Park, and me and my friend and my brother, Dennis is my brother, and Luana is my friend, wanted to give you a tour of Flanders Park. First, we start with the tiny playground. Just let me give you a view of it real quick. No, mini slide. Let's go down it. That was wet. There's this pool. Yeah, it's not a good idea. Okay, so I'm gonna go down, and Alana's gonna show us how to get down this pole. Perfect. Children. Okay, there's this cool tunnel slide. It's all tunnel. And then there's the entrance. We're gonna start here, and now you're in the sunlight again. Because we're out of the slide. She is jumping in the bridge moves. Tunnel slide. There's a twisty slide, not tunnel. There's this wall of it, and then it spins. So, Dennis, I'm trying to make a video. Oop, looks like Dennis came up behind Alana. He likes to climb the tree too. me and Alana are gonna show you mushrooms. There's real life mushrooms here. Dennis quit us, so it's just us girls. And no, showtime. Okay, now Alana thought of this. This is a pine tree that splits into two branches, and we have a window between